customizing your product to meet the local needs of each of these countries you are going into, and also the cultural preference.
Hey, welcome to the FinTech Frontlines by Cora. This podcast is a collection of timeless ideas on how to build, launch, and operate a fintech in Africa from the most experienced minds in African fintech. In this episode, Bruno Bawa talks about how to customize your product to fit a new market without compromising your product standards.
When you identify which aspect of your operation can be standardized, right, without compromising the effectiveness, brand identity, like you're basically evaluating your core competencies, right, making sure that this is satisfied across all markets, right. Also, I think customizing your product to meet the local needs of each of these countries you are going into, and also the cultural preference, because there are different cultures. You are expanding into different cultures, so you definitely want to ensure that your product, the products you are actually offering, they are customized to meet the local market you are going into, and also implementing like standardized processes where efficiency and consistency are crucial, right? You must be flexible in your implementation. I think we have not been rigid in implementation across board. Cora has actually been flexible in the markets we are in presently and the markets we are going into, and also we've established more of like mechanisms to gather local feedback, regularly reviewing our performance and ensuring that the balance between standardization and customization is really, really effective.
Thank you for listening to this episode of the FinTech Frontlines. For businesses that are bullish on Africa, Cora provides all the support you need to start and scale with delightful payment products for collections, payouts, and settlements. Learn more at corahq.com.